Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Sagittarius. For your relationship and career circumstance, I'll be picking more cards from another deck. So this is an oracle deck, and this reading is going to be an intuitive reading. So you need to watch till the end, guys. At some point, you may get the answer for whatever circumstance you have in your mind, Sagittarius. So this card is for your relationship, and this card is for your career circumstance. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. You can watch that reading. That again may clear your doubts or answer some questions you have, Sagittarius. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have Nine of Moons, Completed World, and Five of Spheres in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work, or maybe in your relationship, Sagittarius, you are someone maybe trying to do things in the right way, but today there are some difficulties. Maybe in your career, you may see some delays, suspension, something may not go right, and something unexpected may happen. Though you are working really hard, you may see some delays or suspensions of some projects, assignments. And in this relationship, for some of you, you were, what to say, thinking too much of this person. You were showering your love and attention on them. But for some reason, this person is trying to avoid you. They feel that they cannot be in this connection with you anymore, and they are feeling really irritated to be with you. And things are going downhill in this relationship for some reason, and the reason may be destiny, the way things are going. Something is not right, something beyond your control. That is what is happening today. And there is some kind of a completion you are seeing. Maybe all these troubles, whatever problems you are facing today, it may be the reason may be something like a karma, guys. So everything happens for a reason, and destiny may be the reason to be blamed today for the way things are going. This person turning against you today for some reason, and they are not having any good intentions about you. Maybe they have their mind clouded with toxic feelings, some negative thoughts about you, something not good, something not right, something is wrong. Maybe all of a sudden this person is changing, something really missing in this relationship, Sagittarius. And the reason may be they are, what to say, some kind of confusion is there in their mind. But with these cards, it looks like maybe at some point they may understand you, all those difficulties you are going through for this person. They may try to, they may understand you at some point in future, and situation may change in this relationship, Sagittarius. Destiny is the reason for troubles today, guys, but even that destiny may change for some of you. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We picked one card and it says why in reverse. So, with this card in your circumstances today, you need to understand what is the reason you are here with this person, what is the reason you love them, and you need to ask yourself the questions why you are feeling this particular way. Maybe if it is love, if love is the reason triggering you to be with this person, to be in this connection, you can understand that you have true love towards this person. But if you have a different answer, you need to reassess yourself, reassess the true reason why you are associating with this person. And sometimes we are, what to say, subconsciously, we just want to reunite with that person, with our past person, and we go for a different person now, and we say and do things, maybe having that past person in our heart. We want to say that last word. If that is the case, if that is the situation today, you need to do that soul searching, try to understand why you are behaving or why you are speaking those words. That will give you clarity in your relationship. So maybe for some of you, you are just what to say, denying the truth, what is driving you in this relationship, Sagittarius. So for your career situation, Sagittarius, we picked one card. We will see what it is. And it is by the book in reverse. So in your circumstances today, in your career situation, maybe you should think in a different way. Try to do things in a different way. And that is going to help you. Maybe focus on what you really want, and maybe you need to do something differently to achieve that. But whatever it is, you must go for that action, trying to achieve that in that path you have not known before. It may be something different, it may be your thinking out of the box, and that is going to help you in your career circumstance, Sagittarius. So that is the reading with these cards, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is your first card. So the reading with the first card for those who chose this card. Tambulina, expectations. So with this card, in your circumstances, maybe you are a unique person, you are different, and it may be really challenging trying to adapt with the people you have in your life, maybe in your work or maybe in your personal life, because you are someone different, and it is a challenge to blend in your circumstances. And maybe you may see some rejection in your life, maybe because of the way you are. but you need to understand that each and every one of us are unique in our own way, and you do not have to accept any relationship you do not love. So you must, what to say, you should not live for others' expectations. You must go for that love that you really want to, and you must be with people you are really comfortable with. You should not try to be with someone with whom you are not at all comfortable with. And you will find the person, the right person who will uh, be the right one for you, who will be, uh, what to say, who will be the right one in your circumstances. You will have that respect and caring for each other, and you must give up all those people who do not value you for what you are. So that is the energy with this card. And you must see these challenges as something, some experience that where you learn so much. So that is also the energy here. You must not feel sad or stressed, but see your circumstance as an experience giving you a higher learning today. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have Moonstone. So, with this card in your circumstances, your intuition is telling you something, and it is something really important, and you feel that you cannot believe what your intuition is telling you. Maybe your senses are telling you something else. Maybe you see something, you believe in that, you believe in what you see or what you hear, but what your intuition is telling you is something right opposite to what you experience. So it is something you don't want to, what to say, go for. You don't want to make any decision based on your intuition. But you need to understand that your intuition is right. It is telling you something which cannot be seen by your senses. And your intuition is coming from that conscious universe, that which is part of our subconscious. So you're getting that heeding or that pointers from that conscious universe, and conscious universe is never wrong. So in your circumstances, whatever your intuition is telling you, you must listen to it. And guys, if you practice meditation, if you are interested in meditation and if you practice it, it is going to help you a lot. It is going to increase your intuition, and it is going to give you more clarity in your circumstances today. So in your relationship or in your career, whatever that inner voice is telling you, you must listen to it, and that is going to benefit you. And that is going to benefit you, and that is your primary sense. And you need to be really honest with yourself if you want to make the right decisions and go for the right path today. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.